exciting Dynojet product announcement. The month of September is a big one for us in 2024. Right here, we have the KTM 890 Adventure R. This bike is really popular across the entire globe, and Dynojet is pleased to announce a new suite of protection products for this application. First up, the Dynojet foot pegs. These are made of 7075 billet aluminum with a Type 3 hard anodized finish, so you can guarantee these are going to stand up for miles of abuse on your hard adventure rides. They also feature all of these traction screws that you can set at your desired height, or remove some of them if you don't want all of the traction and you only want them on the inside or outside. These pegs are also broader in platform to keep less PSI exerted into your feet, so your feet stay comfortable on those miles of adventure rides. Next up, we have our adjustable shift lever. This shifter features a folding tip that can flex in the event of a fall. Also, the tip is adjustable forward and backward to fit large size boots or even small size shoes, so you can make your cockpit feel just right for you and keep your feet comfortable on those long adventure rides. It's composed of 2024 aluminum, which can be bent back into shape in the event of a fall. Next up, we have our brake pedal pad extension. This features 18 set screws for optimal traction, so you can add grip to this pedal when nature throws the elements at you. It also has an offset height, so you can get more offset to your riding for standing or sitting. This little step allows you to be in more comfort on those long adventure rides. It's composed of 6061 billet aluminum and coated with Type 3 anodize in the signature Dynojet gray color. Master cylinder guard. On the right side of the bike, if these bikes tip over, we really want to protect this reservoir so you don't lose your braking system while out on one of those adventure rides. This is composed of 6061 aluminum, comes with new hardware to make the install easy for you, and it's coated in the signature Dynojet gray Type 3 hard anodize. Continuing on this right side of the bike and protecting this vital rear braking system is our Dynojet rear brake reservoir guard. All those falls and tip or sticks and debris flying up at it, we really want to make sure this plastic fragile little bottle is protected from the elements. Quick and easy install using the factory hardware, and it's composed of 6061 aluminum coated in the signature Dynojet gray color.